Hi, second graders. Today's lesson is lesson 8.11. Today's lesson objective: children describe attributes of shapes and discover equivalent fractions. Vocabulary for today's lesson: attributes, meaning something inherent about a shape, such as the number of sides, angles, or vertices. Equivalent fractions, meaning fractions with the same value. Please take out a blank sheet of paper and a pencil for today's mental math and fluency. Ready? Begin. Remember to pause the video at any time if you need more time. The answers are 7 plus 5 equals 12. 6 plus 8 equals 14. 8 plus 7 equals 15. Great job. Let's try the next one. Ready? Begin. The answers are 5 plus 9 equals 14. 7 plus 9 equals 16. 8 plus 5 equals 13. Great job. Let's try the last one. Ready? Begin. The answers are 17 minus 8 equals 9. 16 minus 7 equals 9. 17 minus 9 equals 8. Great work. For today's math message, draw these shapes. Draw a shape with 3 sides and 3 angles. Then, draw a shape with 1 or 2 pairs of parallel sides. And finally, draw a shape with 1 right angle. You can do this using a blank sheet of paper and a pencil. Please pause the video if you need extra time. Some possible shapes with these attributes would be, for 3 sides and 3 angles, different triangles. So 3 sides and 3 angles. 3 sides and 3 angles. For 1 or 2 pairs of parallel sides, a trapezoid has 1 pair of parallel sides, while a rectangle has 2 pairs of parallel sides. For 1 right angle, a right triangle has 1 right angle. Remember, a right angle is 90 degrees. Great job. Today we're going to play equivalent fractions on Connect Ed. In order to find the equivalent fractions game, you're going to click on the Challenge tab and then click Equivalent Fractions on the right. The directions for today's game: you will earn points by using models to match equivalent fractions, including halves, thirds, fourths, fifths, sixths, and eighths. The game is over when all cards are matched or no more matches can be made. The skill you're practicing: using models to recognize and match equivalent fractions. For some of you, this is the first time learning about equivalent fractions. I want to remind you to try your best. There is also a Brain Pop Junior that explains equivalent fractions more in depth. Today's home links page is on page 191. In the family note, it gives an example of a riddle involving a shape. So here it says, using these attributes of two-dimensional shapes, ask your child to write a shape riddle. For example, I am a shape that has 3 sides and 3 angles. I have no parallel sides. What shape am I? The answer is a triangle. Now it's your turn to make up your own shape riddle. Give it to someone in your house to solve. Today's Math Journal page is on page 217. Please complete this page while watching the video. For shape 1, you're going to draw a shape with 4 sides. 2 of them are longer than the other 2. The shape has 4 right angles. Draw the shape here and write its name. For shape 2, draw a shape with 3 sides. They are all the same length. The shape has no right angles. Draw the shape here and write its name. Please pause the video at this time if you need a little extra time. Today's math boxes are on page 218. Number 1, how many more pine trees are there than maple trees? Write your answer. Number 2, what shape is each face? Write the shape name on the line. Number 3, you're going to solve. Remember to find friendly numbers to make it easier. Number 4, solve using partial sums addition. Write a ballpark estimate and then solve to find your answer. And number 5, writing and reasoning. In problem 1, Natalie says there are 17 trees in all. Allison says there are 27 trees in all. Who is correct? Explain your answer. Now it's time to check your work from lesson 8.10. Please pause the video if you need extra time. I'm so proud of your hard work. Great job today.